Let's take a look at the company's parking lot. This batch of tank trucks is a batch of powder tank trucks customized by an African company. Many tank trucks have been completed. We can see that this batch of tank trucks are specially customized by customers, and the tank bodies are painted with the patterns and numbers required by customers. Each one is equipped with a Weichai 4105 high-horsepower diesel engine using 13-ton axles and 16-ton brake pads. Sandblasting is used to remove rust, and then powder paint is sprayed. The whole vehicle is waxed. The appearance looks not only beautiful but also very wear-resistant and practical. The maximum cubic volume of this model is 42 cubic meters, and it can load up to 50 tons of water at a time. If the customer needs it, it can be customized to a maximum of 48 cubic meters. In addition, an 18 cubic meter screw air compressor can be selected to achieve two-way suction and discharge operations of a single vehicle.